Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
Very good, sir.
Good, sir. How about you?
I'm very good, thanks. So, have you eaten?
Yes, sir.
Not really.
Why? Are you still full or still full? Oh, okay. So, today we are going to learn about animals. So, before we start our lesson, let's say basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay. Let me check your attendance today. If I say your name, please say present. Jika saya sebut nama kalian, saya say present ya.
Yeah.
Aswan,
Presenter.
Zuhair,
Present, sir.
Amuhani. Okay. So, I have some picture about an animals. I want you to look at it. So we have 5 pictures on this media that I have. Okay, I want to ask. I want to ask you. For number 1, who knows this animal? Okay, Zuhair.
That is the eagle.
Eagle. Oh. What is eagle?
Eagle is a bird.
Okay. That's bird?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a bird and he lives in the mountain.
Okay, great. How about the second picture? Second picture. Who knows?
Me, sir.
Okay, Aswan. What's the name?
There is peacock.
Peacock. Okay, peacock. Peacock artinya apa?
Burung merak.
Oke, burung merak. So, dia hidup di mana?
Nggak tahu, Pak.
Nggak tahu.
Ya.
Oke, biasanya dia itu hidup di daratan. It usually they can find it in zoo, kebun binatang.
Oh.
Jadi biasa dia itu tidak hidup tuh di hutan liar. Jadi
And it can fly, right?
to be honest, it cannot fly, but he can show her the persona. I mean personanya itu dari dia punya bulu yang cantik. Okay. How about the third picture?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Okay, great. Pernah lihat dolphin nggak?
Pernah
Di mana?
di laut.
Di laut.
Ya.
Okay, keren. Okay, what about this? Krokodil.
Ya.
Ini di laut aja atau bisa di darat juga?
Dua-duanya bisa.
Dua-duanya bisa. Pernah lihat?
Nonton di HP.
Nonton di HP. Oh, so usually watch it on YouTube. Okay, last thing is
Giraffe.
giraffe. How do you spell giraffe?
J
G
G
E
I
I
Giraffe.
Oh,
Giraffe.
R A F.
Okay. Okay. Last is
F V E
E
H
H.
oh. E. Giraffe. Okay, great. So, these animals are interesting to learn because we can find them in books, movies, zoo, and daily conversation. Jadi, binatang-binatang yang ada di gambar ini bisa kita temukan di buku gambar atau film-film. Jika kalian pernah nonton mungkin film-film yang apa ya, ada di kebun binatang binatang, jungle books, nah misalkan gitu. Or maybe if you want to start a conversation with your friends or talking about animals, so these five animals are usually mentioned. Biasanya sering di upload. Okay, so I want to ask you, do you guys have a favorite wild animal? Kalian punya hewan favorit binatang yang liar? Bukan hewan peliharaan, tapi binatang yang liar. Yang sering di hutan Amazon mungkin atau di Antartika or everything. Wild animal.
Yeah, I have.
Okay, Zuhair, what kind of wild animal do you like?
Anaconda.
Anaconda.
Yeah.
Anaconda. What is anaconda?
It's a snake.
Snake. Okay. Where is it lives?
They live in the jungle.
Jungle.
A lot of them are found in the, how to say, in Brazil.
Oh, Brazil. Amazon.
Amazon.
Oh, Amazon. Okay, great. Wow, that's cool. How about you?
I like lion.
Lion. Okay, great. Lion.
It lives in savannah.
Savannah. Okay, where's Savannah? What country? Oh, you don't know.
African.
Africa. Okay, that's true. That's true. South Africa. Have you seen lion in zoo?
No,
Kebun
I
binatang?
never
Ever?
go to zoo.
Belum pernah ke kebun binatang? Oke, semoga kamu bisa ke kebun binatang. What about you, Amani?
I don't know in English, but in bahasa
Okay.
penguin.
Penguin. Okay, it's penguin also.
Ya.
Kenapa suka penguin? Why?
Lucu.
Lucu. It's cute.
It's cute.
It's
Ya.
cute for you. Okay. Where do you know where the penguins live?
Salju. Salju.
Okay, Salju. I mean the place.
The place.
Kutub Utara.
Yeah.
Okay. Especially in Antarctica.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great for everyone. Okay, give applause. So, okay, I will repeat the names of these animals. So if I say the name of it, you have to repeat it, okay?
Okay.
Because I want to know your pronunciation. Okay. Eagle.
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 Peacock.
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 Dolphin.
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 Crocodile.
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 And the last is giraffe.
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 Not Z but G.
Zero.
G. 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 J. J. J.
J.
J.
Yes.
Zero.
J but G.
Z.
No, Z.
You cannot say G.
No,
J. J.
J.
But
Yeah.
G.
Z.
What?
Apa sih?
Giraffe.
Oh, it's
Zero.
hard. You're right.
Jaju. Jejo.
Jadi
You can say G. Coba G.
G.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Great. Okay, applause for Amani.
Giraffe.
Excellent. Now, okay, we move to the next session is reading guide. Jadi saya punya dua kertas tentang animals. Okay, can you see it? So, in that paper, there are also wild animals, and have some short text. After you read the text, you have to do the task. Jadi di paper itu ada hewan dan juga ada deskripsinya. Jadi teks pendek. Kalian harus baca, kemudian kerjakan soalnya. I will give you 5 minutes to do the task. So time start now. You can discuss it with your friend, or if you are confused, you can ask. Oke, kalian bingung, kalian bertanya.
Or forest.
So it's so hard for us.
Why is that for us? What part? Bagaimana?
I have no idea about what is it. Sharp eyes.
Sharp eyes. Sharp eyes means mata tajam.
Sharp eyes.
Sharp tooth, sharp eyes juga bisa. Mata sipit itu. Gitu.
Oh my god.
Okay, 1 minute left.
Sir,
Okay, what is it? Yes. Kok minta tahu ya? Jadi,
Eagle fly high.
This animal can live in the forest.
forest? Of course, you can live in forest, but after this, we will answer it together.
Okay.
So ini kita bakal jawab sama-sama. Okay? Okay, time's up. So who wants to answer first question? Okay, read the question.
what animal is discussed in the text?
What?
The answer is eagle ke apa?
Eagle?
Eagle.
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 Okay. Eagle artinya?
Burung.
Burung apa?
Elang.
Okay, elang. Okay, good job. Who wants to answer the second one?
Mister.
Okay, Aswan.
The question is, can the eagle fly high?
Okay.
The answer is yes, it can fly very high.
Okay, great job. Okay, who wants to answer the question number 5? Okay, go ahead.
Question number 3, number 4.
Number 5.
Five?
This is number 5.
No.
There's no number 5.
Oh no, number 4. Number 4. Okay, sorry.
The question is, they usually live in the mountains or forests. Where? Oh yeah, I'm sorry. The task. The
Okay.
question is, where do the eagles live? The answer is mountains or forests.
Okay, great job. Applause together.
That's right.
Okay.
Our eagle can live in Kutub Utara.
I've ever seen eagles or flies surrounding the area. Jadi saya tidak pernah melihat elang atau burung manapun yang pergi ke Kutub Utara karena suhu. Jadi bahkan dengan bulunya yang banyak, dia tidak bisa bertahan. Ya, jadi biasanya yang ada di Kutub Utara itu cuman hewannya seperti beruang putih, or penguin seperti apa hewan kesukaan Amani. Oke, so
So,
I want,
okay, question. I already asked you before
okay,
about the eagles. Did the eagles can live in the jungle?
yes, of course, it can live in the jungle, but what I know, it's usually lives in the mountain. Yes, dia juga bikin sarangnya
Oh, iya.
untuk tinggal di sana. Jadi untuk forest mungkin dia cuma singgah mencari makanan, tapi kalau untuk tinggal mungkin lebih sering di gunung.
Tapi kalau di hutan katanya sukanya tuh di pohon-pohon yang tinggi gitu, Pak.
Ya, biasanya tuh tempatnya harus tinggi supaya dia bisa terlindung dari predator. Okay, so far, did you understand the material today?
Yes, sir. I understand it.
Okay, so before we finish, let me review. Can one of you mention another different wild animals? Bisakah di antara kalian menyebutkan 5 hewan yang berbeda? Liar, 5 hewan liar yang berbeda. Tidak sama dengan yang di sini. Ada yang punya pengetahuan sedikit?
What I know is wolf.
Oke, wolf.
And
Artinya?
serigala.
Oke, serigala.
And then the tiger.
Oke, tiger.
Yeah, hyena.
Hyena. Oke, great. Two more. Jaguar. Oke, bisa juga. The last.
The last is anaconda, right? Oh, gorilla.
Okay, gorilla, great. Yeah, totally right. Okay, so today we just learned about the animal vocabulary and you just practice reading using reading guide. Jadi sudah kita pelajari tentang vocabulary tentang animal dan juga reading guide yang sudah kalian lakukan. So before we close our class, I will give you an assignment or homework. Okay, homework. So in the next meeting, you guys must make this media with 5 pictures about animals that lives in sea.
Okay.
Jadi kalian harus buat 5 hewan yang sama juga, tapi tinggalnya di laut. Okay. Any questions so far?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Enough.
Enough? Okay.
Hewannya itu yang tinggal di 2 alam, Pak.
Hewannya tinggal di 2 alam. Oke, saya kasih keringanan. Dia bisa di laut, bisa di darat. Oke, yang penting 5 ya. Oke. So, before we close our lesson today, let's say hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you for your attention today. I'll see you next week, okay? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.